for you. Okay, now it started recording. All right, I'm gonna share my screen again and discuss how to do this. The first question is plot the 3 graphs of velocity versus time. Okay, do you know how to plot?
بالإكسل?
Yes.
Yes, I know.
All right, so you're gonna go to Excel. I'm gonna present some random values. This is for the sake of the video because we're recording it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then Y is gonna be, I don't know, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I like my table to be clear and nice. Otherwise, I'm gonna be confused. Then I'm gonna select only the values without the X and Y. Insert, and it's very important to click scatter. This is scatter. I will change the chart title. I will click on the chart, add chart element, the title of the axis, the primary horizontal, the primary vertical, and it's very important for you to have a title and label your axis. Then I should not click on the points, right click on the points. Do you have Excel on your laptop? All right,
Yes.
so right click on the points, add trend line, and then you're gonna pick linear. Then you scroll down, you pick display equation, then you scroll down, you pick display the R squared value. And here I can change the font for you to be able to see it and make it font to 14, for instance, bold. So this is the equation of the line and the R squared function. What is R squared function? R squared, if it's equal to 1, it means that your points are perfectly on a straight line. If R squared equal to 0.99, it means that you're very close to a straight line. It's okay. Anything beyond 0.9 is acceptable. If you are below 0.9, probably the points you have are not even a straight line. Okay? Fine. All right. Now, can you tell me, looking at the equation, what is the slope?
-4.
So the equation is y equals x plus 5. And the equation of any line is ax plus b. Am I right? Or you used to write it as mx plus b. What's the equation of a straight line? Do you know? Okay. So the equation, everything you have before x is called the slope. So this is the slope. Okay? So this is the slope. What do you have before x? Yes, a or m is the slope. So what is a or m in this equation? When I say x plus 5, what is the slope? What do you have before x?
A y.
We have 1. It's 1x.
1.
So if I have 2x, I will write 2x. If I have 3x, I'm going to write 3x. But I have nothing before x, so it's a 1. 1 times x. Am I right? Okay. So the slope here is 1. Now back to your lab report. I have so many windows open. I'm sorry for that. You need to do the 3 graphs. So you put the x, you put the y. For trial 1, you do a graph. And you find the slope. The slope is going to be very close to 8, 9, 10, something like that, because it's free fall. What is the acceleration of free fall?
Acceleration of free fall?
Yes. I can't hear you. Can you talk? Ya Allah, this is the microphone. Do you hear me right now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I just noticed that the recording would be without your voice, but it's gonna be with my voice. Anyway, every time you have a VT graph, okay, so every time you have a VT graph, and here we're doing a velocity versus time graph, the slope is equivalent to acceleration. Okay, this is the first statement you need to know. The second statement you need to know that the slope is the acceleration, and the acceleration in free fall, because didn't you let the ruler to go? It was free fall, right? Do you know what free fall is? When something falls on its own. So the acceleration theoretically, so this is the theoretical value, it is equal to 9.8 meter per second squared. Okay, cool. So those two statements are very important to keep. So now I want you to plot to find the slope. Fine. Using linear regression, it means the method I showed you on Excel, which is right click, add trend line, add equation. Then they want you to find the average. You're gonna find slope 1. Okay, so slope 1, slope 2, and slope 3. And then you're gonna find the average. And then you're gonna find the RMS. Do you know how to calculate the RMS?
RMS?
Yes.
I don't know how to calculate it. So
okay. Listen, I want you to do this, and I want you to do this, and let's have another meeting. I will teach you how to calculate the RMS, because I don't want to overwhelm you with so many things. However, I already posted a video about how to calculate an RMS. Okay, where do you find the video? Let me tell you. I'm gonna just jump on any window. This one, for instance. Let me go to lau.edu.lb, and I will tell you where to find the video. Watch the video. If it's tough, I will help you with it. Maybe the video will be enough. Blackboard. Click here, log in. Maybe I did not post the video, so we can check together. I have a meeting in 3 minutes, so that's why I'm gonna leave you. But when you're done, let me know so we meet again, okay? We can meet every day a bit. Courses. Okay, mechanics. So what do we have? Lab 0, syllabus manual. I did not post any video. I'm gonna post a video for everyone. I'm gonna call it appendix, content area appendix. Okay, appendix. So when I finish my class at 7, I will write an appendix. I will put you a YouTube or 2 to show you how to calculate your RMS on a regular calculator. You have a regular calculator and you already did it with me. So probably you're gonna remember, and probably you did it in classwork 1, I think. Okay. All right. I'm gonna leave you now. I'm gonna stop recording. I will send you the recording in 2 hours. Okay.